What was the first movie ever to be released on VHS? The Godfather. The Sound of Music. The Young Teacher. The correct answer is The Young Teacher. Did you know? While The Sound of Music was the first for the US, the South Korean film The Young Teacher was the first VHS release globally in 1976. How many years does it take for a glass bottle to decompose in a landfill? 1,000 years. 10,000 years. 1 million years. The correct answer is 1 million years. Let's learn something new. Glass is one of the most durable man-made materials. It basically never wears out in a natural environment. Which animal has the longest pregnancy, lasting 22 months? Blue whale. African elephant. Rhino. The correct answer is African elephant. Impress your friends with this fact: elephants have the longest gestation period of all mammals, lasting nearly 2 years. What is the only state in the USA where coffee is grown commercially? Florida. California. Hawaii. The correct answer is Hawaii. Impress your friends with this fact: thanks to its tropical climate and volcanic soil, Hawaii is the only state with a major coffee industry, Kona Coffee. Which of these was the first domain name ever registered on the internet? Apple.com. Symbolics.com. Google.com. The correct answer is Symbolics.com. Did you know? Symbolics.com was registered on March 15, 1985, by a computer manufacturer. Which country has the most pyramids in the world? Egypt. Sudan. Mexico. The correct answer is Sudan. Fun fact: Sudan has over 200 pyramids, which is more than double the number found in Egypt. What is the only letter that does not appear on the periodic table of elements? Q, J, Z, The correct answer is J. Did you know? Every letter except J appears at least once in the symbols of the elements. What is the scientific name for the brain freeze you get from cold food? Sphenopalatine ganglioneuralgia. Cryocephalalgia. Glacial cranium. The correct answer is sphenopalatine ganglioneuralgia. Here's an interesting fact: it happens when cold touches the roof of your mouth, causing blood vessels to rapidly constrict and dilate. Which bird is the only one that can see the color blue? Parrot. Owl. Eagle. The correct answer is owl. Here's something cool: while most birds see a wide spectrum, the owl is unique in its ability to perceive the color blue. How many miles of blood vessels are inside an average adult human body? 1,000 miles. 10,000 miles. 60,000 miles. The correct answer is 60,000 miles. Here's a nugget of wisdom: if you laid out all a person's blood vessels in a line, they would wrap around the earth twice. Which US president is in the Wrestling Hall of Fame? George Washington, Abraham Lincoln, Theodore Roosevelt. The correct answer is Abraham Lincoln. Did you know? Before his presidency, Lincoln was an elite wrestler, losing only one of about 300 matches. What is the only fruit that has its seeds on the outside? Strawberry, kiwi, raspberry. The correct answer is strawberry. A quick fact for you: wait, we use this. Let's swap. What is the only bird that can fly upside down? Hummingbird. What was the original name of Google? BackRub, SearchMaster, PageRank. The correct answer is BackRub. Knowledge boost: Larry Page and Sergey Brin originally called their search engine BackRub in 1996. Which mammal is the only one that cannot produce its own vitamin C? Dog, guinea pig, horse. The correct answer is guinea pig. Let's learn something new. Like humans, guinea pigs must eat vitamin C because their bodies can't make it. What is the most visited city in the world, pre-2020? Paris, Bangkok, London. The correct answer is Bangkok. Here's something cool: Bangkok, Thailand, consistently takes the top spot for the most international visitors. How much of the Earth's oxygen is produced by the Amazon rainforest? 10%, 20%, 50%. The correct answer is 20%. Fun fact: while vital, it produces about 20% of Earth's oxygen. The rest mostly comes from ocean plankton. What is the world's best-selling toy of all time? Barbie, Lego, Rubik's Cube. The correct answer is Rubik's Cube. Surprising trivia: over 350 million Rubik's Cubes have been sold since its invention. Which animal is the only one that can't poke its tongue out? Crocodile, snake, frog. The correct answer is crocodile. Impress your friends with this fact: a crocodile's tongue is attached to the roof of its mouth by a membrane, so it cannot move it. Which famous artist was a suspect in the theft of the Mona Lisa in 1911? Salvador Dali, Pablo Picasso, Claude Monet. The correct answer is Pablo Picasso. Let's learn something new. Picasso was actually brought in for questioning after the painting went missing, but he was innocent. What is the literal translation of the word karaoke? Sing along. Empty orchestra. Music machine. The correct answer is empty orchestra. A quick fact for you, it comes from the Japanese words kara, empty, and o, orchestra. Which is the only planet in our solar system not named after a god? Mars, Earth, Uranus. The correct answer is Earth. A quick fact for you, all other planets are named after Greek or Roman deities. Earth is an Old English/German word for ground. What is the average lifespan of a taste bud? 10 days. 30 days. 6 months. The correct answer is 10 days. Here's an interesting fact. Your taste buds are constantly being replaced, usually every week to 2 weeks. Which of these animals can't look up into the sky? Pig, cow, horse. The correct answer is pig. Here's a nugget of wisdom. Due to the anatomy of their spine and neck muscles, it is physically impossible for pigs to look straight up. What is the only food that is made by an insect that humans eat? Silk, honey, wax. The correct answer is honey. Did you know? Honey is the only food produced by insects that humans consume on a large scale. Which country has a square flag? Switzerland, France, Italy. The correct answer is Switzerland. Surprising trivia, Switzerland and Vatican City are the only two countries with perfectly square national flags. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll catch you in the next one.